Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch with a normal pencil. First, let's gather our basic tools. You'll need a graphite pencil, perhaps a 2B or 4B for versatility, a good quality eraser, and some smooth, acid-free drawing paper. Having the right materials is the first step to creating beautiful artwork. These simple items are all you need to begin your artistic journey and bring your ideas to life on paper. Now, let's dive into some fundamental techniques. Begin by practicing light, consistent lines to lay down the foundation of your sketch. Experiment with varying the pressure on your pencil to achieve different line weights, from delicate to bold. Also, explore techniques like cross-hatching and stippling. These are excellent for building up texture and creating a sense of depth in your drawings. Consistent practice will greatly improve your control. Next, we'll focus on understanding form and value. Start by breaking down your subject into basic geometric shapes, paying close attention to its overall proportions. Crucially, identify where your light source is coming from. This will guide you in accurately placing highlights and shadows. Build up your shading gradually, using multiple light layers to create smooth transitions and achieve a realistic sense of three-dimensional depth in your sketch. Finally, it's time to add those finishing touches. Carefully refine your sketch by incorporating finer details and intricate textures that bring your subject to life. A kneaded eraser is invaluable here. Use it to gently lift highlights and make subtle corrections without smudging. Remember to step back frequently and view your work from a distance. This helps you assess the overall composition and ensure everything is balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.